Picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and you see creators effortlessly showcasing their lives, sharing content, and somehow making serious money. What if I told you that you, yes, you, could turn your social media following into a steady income stream? Whether you have 1,000 followers or 1 million, there's a way to monetize your audience and live the life you've been dreaming of. And no, this isn't just for influencers who post selfies on the beach. This is for anyone willing to put in the work and tap into the potential of social media platforms. Stay tuned because I'm about to break down step by step how you can earn big, even if you're starting small. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll see your social media not just as a hobby, but as a money-making machine. Social media has evolved from a place to connect with friends into a global marketplace where creativity, strategy, and consistency can lead to significant financial rewards. Every day, people are turning their Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other platforms into steady income streams. Whether you have a small audience or a large following, there's a monetization strategy that fits your situation. The key is to understand your audience, create value, and leverage the tools and opportunities available to you. This comprehensive guide walks you through the essential steps, strategies, and tips to monetize your social media following. No matter your niche or current follower count, these insights will help you transform your social media presence into a profitable venture. Introduction. Social media platforms have democratized earning opportunities. No longer is fame or celebrity status a prerequisite for making money online. Everyday individuals are earning thousands, if not millions, by strategically leveraging their social media accounts. This guide is for anyone who wants to take that leap and explore the possibilities of social media monetization. The process may seem daunting at first, but it all boils down to a few foundational steps. Understanding your niche, building a personal brand, creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and diversifying your income streams. With patience and consistent effort, you can turn your social media into a reliable source of income. Understanding your niche and audience. The first step in monetizing your social media is understanding your niche. A niche is a focused area of interest or expertise that defines your content. Popular niches include fitness, food, fashion, technology, personal finance, gaming, and travel. But it's possible to succeed with more unique niches like vintage collectibles or DIY crafts. Choosing a niche is critical because it helps you stand out. People need to associate your profile with something specific to build trust and credibility. If your content is scattered across multiple unrelated topics, it becomes difficult to attract a dedicated audience. Once your niche is clear, analyze your audience. Social media platforms provide insights into who is consuming your content. These analytics can reveal the age, gender, location, and preferences of your followers. Understanding these details helps you create content that resonates with your audience, fostering higher engagement and trust. Building a personal brand. A personal brand sets you apart from other creators in your niche. It is how your audience perceives you, encompassing your style, tone, messaging, and overall aesthetic. To build a strong personal brand, focus on consistency. Your social media profiles should have a unified appearance. This includes using the same color palette, fonts, and logo or profile picture across platforms. For example, if your Instagram feed has a minimalistic aesthetic, your YouTube thumbnails should align with that style. Your voice is also an essential part of your brand. Are you humorous, educational, inspiring, or a combination of these? Choose a tone that reflects your personality and stick to it. Authenticity is key. Audiences are drawn to creators who share their genuine experiences and opinions. While it may be tempting to emulate popular influencers, staying true to yourself will build stronger, lasting connections with your followers. Creating high-quality content. The quality of your content is arguably the most critical factor in building a successful social media presence. Regardless of your niche, you need to produce content that captivates your audience and encourages them to engage. Start by learning the basics of content creation. Invest in tools and software that enhance your production quality. For photos, a smartphone with a good camera and natural lighting can work wonders. For videos, use editing apps like CapCut, Final Cut Pro, or Adobe Premiere Pro. Consistency also plays a major role. Posting regularly helps you stay on your followers' radar. Develop a content calendar to plan your posts in advance, ensuring you maintain a steady flow. Diversifying your income streams. Monetizing social media involves exploring multiple income streams to maximize your earnings. Each platform and niche offer unique opportunities, so diversify your methods to ensure consistent revenue. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to start earning. By partnering with brands, you can share affiliate links or discount codes with your followers. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. As your follower count grows, companies may approach you with offers. Sponsored posts are especially effective when you align with brands that share your values and resonate with your audience. Selling your own products or services is one of the most profitable ways to monetize your platform. This could include ebooks, online courses, merchandise, consulting services, or physical products. For instance, a fitness influencer could sell workout plans, while a travel blogger might offer destination guides. Selling products allows you to retain full control over your income. Subscription-based content is growing in popularity. Platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, and YouTube memberships enable creators to offer exclusive content to paying subscribers. Examples include behind-the-scenes videos, live streams, tutorials, or personalized shoutouts. This model works best for creators with a highly engaged audience. Live streams provide another opportunity for monetization. Many platforms allow viewers to send tips or purchase badges during live sessions. Live streams also help foster a stronger connection with your audience, making them more likely to support your efforts financially. Platform-specific monetization tools are also worth exploring. For instance, YouTube's ad revenue, memberships, and super chat features can generate significant income.